got a fun problem here which looks complicated at first glance but turns out to be relatively simple. So we have to solve this equation where on the left hand side we've got the square root of a plus bx plus the square root of b plus cx plus the square root of c plus ax, and this is equal to the square root of b minus ax plus the square root of c minus bx plus the square root of a minus cx. And what we're trying to do is solve for x here, so a, b and c are just some real constants are greater than 0, so it doesn't really matter what those are for now. We're looking to find x. So the first thing we notice is that if we take x is equal to 0, this term vanishes, as does this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and then we get root a plus root b plus root c is equal to root a plus root b plus root c. So x is equal to 0 is a solution. Now if we look for other solutions, we could start looking for them, but one thing we notice is that the left hand side, so well in our case the top, well this is actually an increasing function in x. So what does that mean? As x increases, this function, the right hand side, is a decreasing function in x. So if x equals 0 is a solution, or if we increase x in any way, the left hand side increases, but the right hand, there's no solutions when x is greater than 0. And if we decrease x, then the left hand side decreases and the right hand side increases, so there's also no solutions when x is less than 0. So the only solution therefore is x equals 0 and the problem is complete.